At Peterbilt of Sioux City, our customers are number one. Whether you stop by our service department for an initial inspection or you make an appointment, the popcorn is always fresh and the complimentary coffee is always on. Upstairs, truckers can get a snack or cold drink from the vending machines, throw in a load of laundry at no charge, or even take a refreshing shower. Down the hallway is the customer lounge, and talk about comfort. 4 brand new oversized recliners make anyone want to relax while waiting for their truck to be fixed. The customer lounge is a perfect place to watch TV or take advantage of the free customer Wi-Fi. Drivers are able to check in on their truck's progress through the big picture window overlooking the heart of the service department. While you're visiting the service department at Peterbilt of Sioux City, make sure you take advantage of all the amenities in our customer lounge so you can get back out on the road.